Welcome to my website, The Littlest Lily. So this is a blog, and in this blog I kind of have some tips and images and things that people can use to do their own floral designs. So you can see here on our homepage I have some pictures of some work that I've done and things that I hope to be able to show tutorials for all of these things at some point in the future. This blog section is where I could potentially have a profit, and so you can see I have some Google ads inserted here, another one here, and then I have my blog posts as well. So you can see here, you can click on these and you can click read more. And this, for example, is a blog post on how to paint your flowers if they come in the wrong color. So you can see we go through all of the steps on how to do that, and then we have some common colors that people need to paint their flowers. Now, to do this, I used a few different tools. So I used my Google Ads, and you can see here my clicks and impressions and costs. I found it a little bit difficult to use Google Ads because I found that people often were just browsing the internet, kind of looking at things aimlessly, and didn't really interact with my website. They'd come on and then they'd leave again. And so to help kind of curb that, I found that if people looked at my website during the day, they were more likely to stay longer. So I changed those settings so that they could stay longer. You can see here my keywords that I was using and the ones that I stopped. You can see also, let's see here, the ad schedule. No, that's not what I wanted. Page history. Let's see. There we go. Okay, there we go. So you can see the different ads that I had running. And obviously this is not going live right now, so all of these are in 0 right now. And then you can see here as well the Amazon Associates. So here I use the product links to build those links at the bottom of the page. So I would search for the product I needed, and then I would put in the ASIN number here, and then build the links that way. So I think that overall this project has been a great experience for me. It's helped me to learn a lot about how to promote business online. And I'm really excited because in the near future, actually in a couple of weeks here, I'm going to be launching a merchant business model selling corsages and boutonnieres. And I feel confident that I know how to do that, and I know what I can do to help promote that on Facebook and online and through my website, and I'll be creating additional pages here to help promote that. One other thing I wanted to show as well is that I have my contact form here, and then over here you can see that's littlestlily@outlook.com, that when someone submits a form entry, that it comes to me to this email so then I can respond to them. So that's about it. Thank you for taking a look at my project. Have a nice day.